Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled that you're here and we have made it to the final process video for October Daily and I'm so excited. So I'm starting off Halloween with using my daughter's drawing of some ghosts and zombies. And since it was too long for the album, I decided to fold it over, and then it would make the perfect spot for some photos that I took with my son. My son was nice enough to take a photo of me in my outfit during the day. I was wearing like a Halloween shirt and then I put on a hat, and so I wanted a photo in our forest. And he took the photos and I love them. And then he decided to take some selfies with me, and I absolutely loved them. When your teenager wants to take photos, you're just so excited. So I got several of them and decided to use a Studio Calico kind of a film photo strip, and I just matted the photos on a piece of 2x8 paper cardstock, and then I'll glue down the little photo strip piece, and I'll lay that on top of the orange and black cardstock. I wanted to give the my daughter's drawing a better foundation, stronger foundation, so that's why I put the orange and black cardstock, and I think it goes really well with the photos that my son took. I love them, and he is so hilarious. So I took some of these cut aparts. I think they're from Pebbles ink, and I'm gonna use a few of them. I found one that said "Hello Beautiful." Yeah, I think that's how you say it. And I'm gonna put one of those down in the bottom left, and then I'll put another one up at the top. Also grabbed my ghost stickers, and I'll just add 2 of those as well. I was trying to figure out if I could use the boo, but the boo's not gonna work. And then I kind of remembered, oh, I could do the Happy Halloween and just hang it on the side. And I thought that was a really cool touch. I'm gonna take the boo and actually put it on the inside of my daughter's drawing up in the top right corner. Isn't her drawing so awesome? I just love it. So I was able to include 2 of her drawings in this album, and I'm so happy about that. So the back of her drawing is gonna be the start, or the left-hand side of Halloween. I will adhere down some white paper on top of it. So this is the full spread, and I'm stuck with like a collage. That's always my go-to when I want to get a project done, and I have a lot of photos. And this is it all set up with the ghost card that I pre-prepped, some acrylics, and then some other pieces that I kind of pulled out. So I stuck with 3x2s and 2x2s, and I kind of did an up-down pattern. And like I said, I cut out that Ghoul Gang card. I cut that down to 3x2, and then the ghost that was hanging over the edge, I just cut that out, and I'm gonna put it on the left-hand side. So I was actually with my son on Halloween. My daughter wanted to stay with, my husband and just have some special time with him, which was fine. So I got to hang out with the teenagers and the moms, and so we had a great time. And I'm just staggering the photos, and then I will add in all kinds of stamping and all kinds of acrylics, and just have a whole lot of fun with these with this Halloween page. I pretty much put everything but the kitchen sink in this layout, it feels like. And I used Everyday Explorer stamps, and I also used Feature Craft stamps as well. And then this awesome acrylic from Colorcast Designs that says OCT 31. My one broke off, but it's not a big deal. Once I glue it down, you cannot tell. I then get out the stamps, and you guys know I like to take the stamps and kind of lay them out on my spread to kind of see where I want them and how I want them situated. So that's what I'm doing right here, and then I'll kind of set things aside and stamp everything. You also saw me play with some stars. That was kind of my first design idea, was to use some stars that I had punched out from some other papers, but I decided I'm not going to go with that design idea, and I'm just going to stick with stamps. That way the photos still have a lot of breathing room with all the white space, and just using the stamps. So I am stamping Trick or Treat, Foolish Mortals, Having a Wicked Good Time, and also a Spookiness Rating. And then directly on the paper, I'll stamp Boo twice and What a Good Night below one of the photos. Having a wicked good time is going to be pop dotted right next to the other acrylic bat. That way it makes a really nice triangle for the visual triangle that we need. Okay, so my camera cut off for some reason, and so you didn't get to see me stamping all these stars from the pattern play. I'm sorry about that, but all I did was just stamp, like you can see, some stars in different colors in the 3 different sections that I have. And I'm adding in some more ghost and the ghost faces, and I'll also add in a pink little splotch sparkle, and I'm gonna also add in a skull in a little bit. I am gonna wind up taking away that eek wood veneer, which if you have any of Jessica's Colorcast design pieces from earlier, you know that once they're stuck, they're stuck. So I literally ripped it off and I broke one of the pictures, obviously. So, and you can see it right here, the bottom portion of the photo with my shirt, it's gone. So I gotta try to cover that up, and I'm gonna cover it up with a 3rd ghost and also a sugar rush. And it kind of works, I think it works. And then I'll just put another little outline of a ghost, and I'm gonna call it done and stop fussing with this layout. So I really like how this page turned out, except for that little boo-boo, but I think I fixed it. And so there you go. There is Halloween, and I absolutely love how it came together, and I had a lot of fun putting in all the fun little details for this project. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing all of these pages, and I'm thrilled that you joined me on this little journey. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.